Good morning, JCs. Mind opening online Snapshot ID series, Master Keys, day 154 by JC Dr. Harinakshi, hereby call to order. JC Creed by JC Mugil. Okay, JC Creed. We believe that faith in God gives meaning and purpose to human life, that the brotherhood of man transcends the sovereignty of nations, that economic justice can best be won by free men through free enterprise, that government should be of laws rather than of men, that earth's great treasure lies in human personality, and that service to humanity is the best work of life. Thank you. I welcome today's faculty, Harinakshi Madam, and JC Naval President. I welcome JC Naval President, Madhuragan sir. I welcome JC Ravi sir, and I welcome Marimuthu sir. And I welcome Chandana Madam, Mukil, and all the participants presented here. I welcome JC Naval President for a pleasant task.
Good morning, one and all. Today we have a fantastic trainer, mathematician as a presenter. Her educational qualification is PhD in mathematics from Manipal Academy of Higher Education. Area of research, wavelet analysis, numerical methods and ordinary partial differential equations, computational fluid dynamics, boundary layer flow problems, international journal publication around 6 he published, international conference presentation around 8. She was appointed as a faculty coordinator for student support club for differently abled at Mage, member of NASA Mukt Udupi Abhiyan project of student affairs Mage, working as a hostel warden for Block 22 MIT hostel. The seed money grant proposal titled Experimental and Numerical Investigations of Boundary Layer Formulation in a Cylindrical and Elliptical Model has been approved for the period of April 2022 to March 2024, guided one MSc Mathematics and one international BTech student from Poland for their project work in the area of application of wavelets for differential equations. Presently guiding 2 PhD students and 3 MSc students for the research work in the area of wavelets. She was NCC cadet, outstanding cadet, C certificate, outstanding participant of Swagat 2023, CAP 2023, Speechcraft 2023, Zone Trainer Workshop 2023. She was also a Nalanda graduate in 2023 and outstanding active participant of Nalanda 2023, member of Udupi Toastmaster International Club. Excellent lady, outstanding he showed his outstanding performance in Nalanda. I am very proud to be in the part of his learning group. He accelerated and propelled us to receive outstanding learning group in Nalanda. All the way from Andhra, I welcome our Harinakshi ma'am. Welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Madam, floor is yours, please.
Very good morning, everyone. I'm just clearing for the beginning. I hope my slides are visible for everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank JCL Neville and JC Neville President Mathi sir, my friend JC Morgan sir, and all the members of JC Neville for giving me an opportunity to share my thoughts. So Nalanda experience was wonderful. It was completely a teamwork which we did, and I'm happy to say that Mathi sir was in our team, and he was supporting in every manner, and through teamwork we could do wonders there. So, and we enjoyed each and every moments which we spent in Nalanda. So, moving to my topic today, I have chosen the topic as life in mathematics. It's very natural, being a maths professor, mathematics will be everywhere, every day in my life. So what is this? Let us get into that. So before seeing what is actually my title means, I would like to ask a question to everybody. What comes to your mind when you think of mathematics? Anyone? You can unmute and you can answer, or you can put something in your chats. Anything is fine. What comes to your mind when you think of mathematics?
It's very hard subject in our whole career of studies.
Okay, so chat is there. Okay.
It is one of the basis for inventions.
Yes. Okay. Think of mathematics. Lavanya, feel like it's like numbers.
It is like life. If we understood, it is very easy. If we are not understanding that, it is very tough.
Perfect, sir. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Yes. So when I ask this question to you, suddenly you may think, well, we have so many questions in our we have so many questions in our day-to-day life. Why she is pouring one more question to us? So it's very natural that whenever we ask anybody, they think of formulas, theorems, and as Ramesh sir and others told, it is the fundamental thing, and we always feel it is tougher because we are not getting the real cream of it. Maybe the way we learned out of it, or maybe the impressions which has been poured to our mind through everybody's experience. So every time when we say mathematics, okay, it is something like calculations, formulations, nowhere connected to our real life. But the reality is, it is not the way. Reality is, it is we have it in each and every day as a part and parcel of our life, this mathematics. So that is the reason mathematics is called as the mother of all the sciences. So without foundations of mathematics, none of the science can stand there. Be it be the engineering or be it be any natural science researchers, mathematics we need it. Well, as a common person, how the mathematics we experience in our day-to-day life. So we can see while preparing the food also, we think of proportions, ratios. There also mathematics involves. When we go to grocery shop, there also we'll see what is the total amount happened, what is the remaining balance. Even when we think of investing our money, we will calculate where to invest so that we get a better output. And even when we think of exercising, there also we focus about BMI, body mass index, and oxygen consumption. So be it be any field, mathematics is there. It is the only thing that we are not experiencing that it's mathematics. We only see that it's a natural part happening. So reality is that is the truth. Mathematics can be experienced everywhere. Well, today I'm not going to explain how mathematics is there in maybe in our day-to-day life, maybe in exercise, or maybe in our parenting. My focus is through mathematics. I have been so many years associated with mathematics from my high school class itself. I was feeling that I have to pursue my higher education in mathematics, and mathematics, I have to continue my career in mathematics. So for me, mathematics is something, a unique part of my life, and it's indeed a what is that one of the very important essential thing in my life. So for me, how I feel mathematics, rather than how it is implemented in that, what are the life lessons a maths taught for me? This is my experience, and I'm just sharing to you. So what are the life lessons which I can feel or I can gain out of the theorems or the results which stated in mathematics? So let me brief explain a few of the lessons which I always take out of it. So the lesson number one, which what my mathematics taught for me, is change your perception. So if we change our perception, naturally it will change our life, isn't it? So how maths taught for me, when I studied in the conic section, this picture everybody might be aware. So those who are already had the PUC mathematics, so it's basically you are doing an intersection of the cone. So cone is that shape, everybody is aware, no? That cone shape. When you have it two cones and the intersection of the plane, if you consider, so the way you intersect it, it will result into different geometrical shape. See, the way if you intersect in a 45 degree, it may end up with a parabola. The horizontal intersection will end up with a circle. The slant intersection may end up with the ellipse, whereas the vertical intersection may end up with the hyperbola. So what it says is, for me, the situations are same. It is how you interact, how you respond to that, that gives you different geometrical shape, isn't it? Even in our life, when we say that, or this is happening to me, or this is what there, the reality is everybody having a similar situation. So it is the way what you wanted out of it. Otherwise, it is the way how you have to carry forward it that actually determines the particular situations, particular approaches, situations we end up with. So this particular picture always reminds me, you need to change your perception in order to get the better results. Otherwise, in order to go for the better solutions. So forming a better new way to see the problems so that we can solve them. That is what my maths taught for me. And it always says that every problem has a solution. So indeed, I believe in it. The lesson number two for me, interestingly, it says that you be realistic. So what do you mean by be realistic? You understand the life is not that the smooth which we think. Life is not full of all the sweet memories. There are some harder memories, or there are some difficult situations you need to understand. Well, the question is how mathematics taught me how to be realistic. We have system of equation solving in a high school mathematics. Only it comes when you have a two systems, how to solve that system so that a solution which satisfy the both equations. So I was just figuring out how it will be if we implement for our life's equations. See, we believe that in our life, if we add happiness, otherwise inclusion of happiness, inclusion of love makes us happy. And if the removal of love, in the sense, if there is no love, we always feel unhappy, isn't it? So if you treat these two as two equations, mathematically, when you solve it, it comes as an average of happiness and sad. That means it is balanced both happy and sad moments will be there. It is the average of that. It is the mean of that, we say. So it is the reality. So we need to be realistic when we think of our life, and when we think of taking the steps, not to be in a always like thinking that why it is happening to me, life is only for me. No, it's for everybody. Be practical, be realistic. So not knowing is not failure, it is the first step to understanding. That is what my math starts to me. So this is the second lesson which I always think, which I always take out of my mathematics. So the third lesson is about self harmony. So you should know how to be happy yourself. Okay, the moment we are happy, automatically that will be spread to the place where we are, to the family, to the society where we live, and ultimately it will lead a happiness to the nature where we are coexistence. So self-harmony, how it is explained by mathematics. So let us see some simple theories. See, if I consider 1 plus 2, everybody know that it is going to be 3, right? So if I add one more number to that, 1 plus 2 plus 3, we are able to figure it out. It's going to be 6. So if I continue like this, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, people will be able to say that it is going to be 10. So generally in mathematics, if you add up to finite number, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. n, maths has immediately gives the answer. You don't have to count everything. You simply say that it is going to be n into n plus 1 by 2. Well, if I continue the same argument, can I get the answer for this? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to infinitely many numbers if I add, what might be the answer? Any guess? I'm just continuing the same arguments here. Mathematics all about logics, isn't it? So what might be, any guess, what might be the answer? You keep on adding 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus like that up to infinity. Larger numbers. Anybody? Just can you just try what might be the resultant for this? Yeah. You keep on adding the numbers. You might not be knowing the numbers now answer, but what might be the result? Any guess? Will it be a smaller number or will it be a bigger number at least?
I think ascending order.
Ascending order, and it's going to be a bigger number, we guess, isn't it? A very big number we expect, right? Yeah.
Madam,
Yeah.
madam, you just repeat the question. I can understand.
Yeah. See, sir, if I add 1 plus 2, I will get 3. If I add 1 plus 2 plus 3, I'll get 6. Similarly, if I add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, I'll get 10. Like that, in mathematics, if you add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus go on up to 100 or n, say for example, mathematics will give quick answer, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. So if I continue the same logic, what about 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus go on, adding the continuously? What might be that? Is it going to be a bigger number or a smaller number?
Oh, naturally, it will be a bigger number only.
Bigger number, right? Yeah, everybody will think like that. The reality is it's not going to be a bigger number. It's going to be a negative number to surprise. And it is not the new thing. It is a paradox given by the great mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. He says that when you keep on adding the numbers, we obviously think that it's going to be a bigger number, but it is not. It is going to be minus 1 by 12. It is a negative number. So how it helps me to understand harmony? For me, it looks like if we keep on adding our needs and desires without any end, without any limit, obviously it is going to be lead to a negative, what is the results out of it? It is never going to be a bigger one. It always going to be give some, what is that, negative results, otherwise negative feel out of it. So what I can understand out of this, if you keep your needs and desire finite, it is going to be good one, better one. If it is continuous, there is no break for the needs and desires, means it is going to be the disaster for us. So this is the third lesson I have learned out of mathematics. Keep your needs and desires minimum. The last but not the least, the fourth lesson, what I have learned is impact of tiny change. A small change in your behavior, how it will affect, what it will result. With everybody say that do a small change your habit. It will obviously change your behavior. Is it true? Let me check with the mathematics. See, if your daily you're neglecting, you're not improving your habit, 0.011% of one dropout in your habit, how it will impact over a long period. I have just taken over 365 days here. I'm just dropping out the one of the habit. Otherwise, you're not improvising it. If you look into that, there is a decreasing curve there over 365, over one whole year. If you see the progress, there is no progress. It is going to decrease. The second graph, what it says that I am not having any motto, I am zero, but I have 0.01 small improvement in it over 365. Will it affect? Will it help me? No. Math says that no, it is not going to help anymore because you're not having any proper goal, you're not having any proper vision. So there also you can see the decreasing curve. The third one, I am constant, 1.00. I am constant throughout the year, throughout 365 days. I am not going to change anything. Can I be in a progress level? No. If you are constant throughout, mathematically you are constant throughout. There is no progress. However, the last picture, if you see, you have a positive attitude. That is one, the number one, and you're trying to improve day by day just by 1%. That is 0.01. So 1 plus 0.01, that is 1.01 throughout 365 days. That is one whole year. You can see the graph. There is a big number. It's happening 37.78. So you can see the progress. So this is the impact of a tiny change which we make. So change your behavior, change your habit. Ultimately, it will change your behavior. So the lesson what I learned out of is you have to develop the ability to take a risk and ability to try to bring a change in your behavior. So ultimately, if mathematics is taught properly, definitely it is going to be a best asset and best lesson, life lesson for our future generation to build a courage, curiosity, and of course, it will help us them to be creative, right? So mathematics is not just about the numbers or the computations or the calculations. It is all about understanding. So this is the poem which I wrote here. Aganita e Ganita means mathematics is infinite. So it might be having so many theorems involved in that, but it always says that every problem has a solution. And that is the fundamental basics of our life. It is the Namma Badukina Kagunita, we say. So this is how I always see mathematics. So let us add a lot of laughter to our life. Let us multiply love to our life. Let us subtract the hate in our life so that we can lead a happy life. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam. Beautiful presentation. You attached classroom lesson with life lesson. Very, very fantastic trying. Very fantastic creative thinking. Okay, super. Starting from the perception, every problem has a solution, and be realistic. It means life plus love is happy. Life minus love is equal to sad. Beautiful equation. And self harmony is minimalizing our desire. It is also with the best equation you elaborated, superb. And small increment to every day, it will give you a big result. It is also very nice. You are very creative thinker, so you make a lot of further equations and make it as presentations. Thank you very much, Madam. Harinakshi, Madam. All the very best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. You stop the slide sharing and most of the viewers will be visible. Over to other participants for your feedback. Thank you. Sir, anybody give feedback? Can give feedback? Actually, I can't see all the participants. Ravi sir will be here. Ravi sir is here. Then Armun sir.
Good morning, Ramesh sir. Sindhu here,
Yeah.
sir.
Please. Please
Hi,
give you.
Harinakshi ma'am. I hope you remember me.
Hello, ma'am.
I am also a Nalanda participant, co-participant from Coimbatore. So I wish all the best. Today's presentation was very, very wonderful and related to the mathematics. Everybody thinks only about the problems and difficulties what we face about mathematics. But today you have related our life to maths in a very easy manner, and it was very helpful. Wonderful takeaway, Harinakshi ma'am.
Thank you.
So thank you so much. Continue your work as such. We'll be meeting together for further sessions with JCI.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Harinakshi ma'am. Thank you so much, Ramesh sir, for this wonderful opportunity to us.
Thank you, Sindhu ma'am. And over to Chandana.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Chandana from Coimbatore. I'm
Hello.
doing my 9th grade, ma'am. Great speech, ma'am. You've told about mathematics. You told that mathematics is life, and you also told how many lessons it have taught you. Until now, I have thought that mathematics was so tough, and it was an subject. I was thinking why there was a subject called mathematics, but after you have explained so much about it, I realized that mathematics is easy, and if we try to learn and if we really have the enthusiasm and try to learn it, it will be easy to learn, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Chandana. Actually, after passing out and joining in the job, we came to know mathematics is very easy. At the time of studying, it is seems very tough. We are not had, a teacher like you. Okay, over to Raja, sir.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
Very excellent, great speech. I'm very happy. It will help us to develop your life day by day. A great speech. ரொம்ப அருமையா இருந்தது. உண்மையிலே இந்த அளவுக்கு நாங்க எதிர்பார்க்கல. இது வரைக்கும் ஸ்பீச் கேட்டதே இல்லை. Really very, very excellent. So I will share your speech others. It is very, very essential to the students and society. So really great speech. Excellent, madam. Excellent. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Over to President, sir. President Madhivanan, sir.
Madam, we are waiting for your another speech also, madam. Please try to share your.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Every month we are very interested to see hear your speech.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Please share your experience.
Sure, sir. Sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mati, sir.
Once again, good morning to Harinakshi ma'am and all the participants. joining here. The wonderful session, ma'am. Actually, Max, I already told it is very toughest subject in our study career. Even though many, what I telling, many people, many students dropped from the schools only because of mathematics. In the earliest days, even my friends, many of my primary school friends and school friends are dropped from the school only due to mathematics. So in that subject, you excelled in all the way. You are the professor of mathematics, and also you link the mathematics into our life. It is very fantastic idea. Today we had a very useful session. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming, and thank you, Mugilvanan, for arranging this faculty for our master quiz. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I am thankful for all the teachers who motivated me to take maths as a subject. All my gurus.
Okay, super, ma'am. Thank you, President. Over to Murthy, sir, you want to tell feedback? Okay, sir. Over to JC Naval Literature, Ravi, sir, for his feedback following vote of thanks.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, sir.
Very wonderful session today. Super mathematics. It was different topic one to improve our day-to-day life. Super, ma'am. Thank you for thank you very much by our Navy JCI. It is a wonderful topic today. We will come again and again here. Thank you very much. And also thanks to our chairman, president, all participants giving feedbacks. Thank you very much. Thank you to all, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, Ravi, sir. Tomorrow we'll have a session, day 155 by JC Rahul. Kindly join as usual, time 5:38 a.m. and mind opening online Snapshot ID series, day 154 by JC Dr. Harinakshi, hereby adjourned. Thank you very much. Bye to all.
Thank you, JC Neville, for the opportunity. And this is a great work you're doing, sir. You're inspiring us. So we are also thinking to do such things in our law. It's really interesting one. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.